Hi, it's bundle time again at Tonic Studios, and I'm here today to tell you what you can expect on the store this weekend. So as usual, we've got 6 wonderful bundles for you, all at 30% off RRP. So let's find out what's available this week. Your Strip Sentiment die bundle will contain a Forever die set, Me to You die set, and Enjoy die set. Your Mixed Media die bundle will contain Cupid's Collection die set and Beautiful Bird Cages die set. Your Tonic Stencil bundle will contain Mesh Panel Stencil and Distressed Text Stencil. Your Pattern Panels die bundle will contain Botanic Twine die set and the Patterned Lattice die set. Your 6x6 mirror card pad bundle will contain a Festive Lights pad and a Moonlight Rose pad. Your 6x6 foil card craft card bundle contains a black and gold pad and a silver jubilee pad. So there you have it, 6 wonderful bundles at 30% off RRP. So check out the store today and hopefully you'll grab yourself a bargain.